The most expensive cars in 2024 set new benchmarks in luxury and performance. The Bugatti Centodace reaches 236 miles per hour and costs $9 million. The Koenigsegg Jesko features unique doors and a $3 million price tag. The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC offers a handcrafted interior for $3.5 million. The Rimac C2 has cutting-edge technology for $2.1 million. The Aston Martin Valhalla combines hybrid power with a sleek design for $1.3 million. The McLaren Speedtail has a central driving position and costs $2.2 million. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale blends performance and luxury for $625,000. The Lamborghini Sián FKP 37 is a hybrid at $3.6 million. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is a bespoke masterpiece at $13 million.